our Team Elite Pabo, Susan Gota.
Thank you. Please take your seats. Alam niyo, hindi ako kinabahan kung anong sasabihin ko. Nako-conscious talaga ako sa Tagalog ko. Ito yung mga cause ng mga stage fright ng mga Bisaya. So, promise lalambutan ko konti ng dila ko. Because the longest period I stayed here in Manila was way back 2007. Nag-duty ako sa Philippine Children's Medical Center sa neonatal ICU. No, so, good evening, Manila! Good evening! Yes, that energizes us. No? So, our MC has awakened you earlier. Sana hindi niya kayo ginising. One classmate of mine told me in the medical school, alam mo, ano yung fear ko, na baka yung mga pasyente hindi maniniwala sa akin. Sabi ko naman sa kanya, alam mo, ang kinakatatakutan ko talaga is baka maniwala yung pasyente sa sinasabi ko. Baliktad kami. Anyway, I am Susan Gonda. I am 48 years old from Cagayan de Oro City. I am a registered nurse before I became a pediatrician. And after completing pediatrics, I decided to study further pharmacy. So I am also a registered pharmacist. So I am a 3-in-1. Hindi lang kape ang 3-in-1. Ako din. So, ma'am, ang sipag niyong mag-aral. Hindi. Umiinom lang kami ng nakakalasing at nakaka-enhance ng memory. Hindi, joke lang. Sabi ko nga sa kasama ko kanina, kailangan ko siguro uminom ng konting wine para gagaling yung Tagalog ko. So, yun, so the MC asked me earlier, Tita, what are you doing before UA? Sabi ko, napaisip ako, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I told him, I am still a doctor up to now. No, people who are doing full-time railway, I tell you, I envy you. No, talagang gusto ko nang mag full-time, pero parang ayaw pa ni Lord. Because being a doctor is not a profession, it is a vocation. No? So, in the morning, this is my routine. 4:30 in the morning, I wake up, I prepare breakfast. But earlier today, I prepared breakfast 3 a.m. because we have to go to the airport for the first flight. So I haven't slept for the past 20 hours. But I took 5 capsules today. Hindi naman siya droga, no? Pero supplement. So, that's my routine. 4:30, I prepare breakfast. Morning, from 8 a.m. to 12 noon, I do patient consult as outpatient. After that, I take my lunch, and my second venue of the day is the Riway office of Cagayan de Oro City. So, kahit i-check mo yung CCTV ng Riway Cagayan de Oro, andun kami hapon. No? So, I told my clients, you know what? If you don't find me in my clinic, I'm in the Riway office. Libre yun ang konsulta doon. Wala lang akong stethoscope na dala kasi kung andun ako sa clinic, andyan yung sekretary ko sisingil sa inyo. So it's just, I'm telling you this because it's just time management when you love what you do. No reasons to say, no excuses if you love what you do. Who are full-time Riway leaders here? Wow, you're so lucky, no? For those leaders who are deciding to do full-time Riway, don't think twice. Do not waste time. Decide now. Before kayo uwi, you decide to do full-time or not. No? Because, I did daw. At akati, I am. So, because I decided to do Riway 3 years ago, because at the age of 45, I started to consider supplementation. I came from both families of a lot of comorbidities. Yung pagkaaswang lang ang wala sa amin. So lahat ng cancer, no? Yung basta lahat ng health conditions meron kami. And I don't want to become a patient. Because I know for sure, even if I saved isang barko ng pera, mauubos din yan. No? And we doctors are very bugbog sarado with stress. No, we just fake ourselves. We pretend to be okay, we pretend to be very active, but alam nyo, we are so bugbog with stress. So I decided to look for a supplement. And here comes my partner, who is a medical representative for 15 years, none other than my direct sponsor, TSP1 Wendy Handel. She introduced to me Portier placenta. She was diagnosed at an early stage that time of colon cancer. So I was actually one of the first people whom she shared about Portier. So, but I was just maybe I was just very preoccupied that time that I haven't sat down with her. Hindi ako nakinig that time. 1 year after, I called her up. Okay, when I'm ready to listen. Pero binigyan niya ako ng The Secrets of the Rich and Famous. Sino nakakabasa na nun? Leaders, kailangan nabasa na natin yun na. Baka kasi mas magaling pa yung mga kliyente natin kaysa sa atin. So, we started that way. So, I bought one set for myself and for my husband. So, dalawa kaming nag-inom. And then, on the second month, I checked our supply. Uy, konti na lang. So, I called up Wendy. So, do I need to purchase another set? How much would be my discount? Sabi niya sa akin, Doc, meron yan siyang negosyo. Okay. So, you just guide me on what I'm going to do. So, you see, I emptied my cup as a doctor. I learned Riway through a medical representative. Pwede ba natin palakpakan yan? So, learning Riway, kung kilalanin natin si Riway, falling in love with Riway doesn't need you to be a professional. So, I started Riway that way. I emptied my cup. Every single event I attend, every single OPP, kahit maganda, pangit, or sino pa man dyan ang nag-OPP, nakikinig ako. I learned to do, it's not that I am a doctor, I don't listen anymore because I consider myself expert. It's not that thing. I learned Riway on how to do OPP to people of different walks of life. Okay? So I learned OPP from house helpers. I learned to do OPP for people who are housewives. No, kasi hindi naman lahat medical people yung kausap ko. Okay, so every single event I join. Kahit wala akong kasama, I join. Kahit 10 ang iniimbita ko, kahit isa wala, kahit anino wala. So, what I'm telling you is, do not quit because quitters are always losers. Walang mangyayari sa buhay niyo kung madi-discourage kayo kaagad. Okay? So eventually, I was able to influence my husband. He is a police colonel lang naman. He is the regional chief in our region for cybercrime. So walang scam dito. Sabi ko sa kliyente ko, walang scammer na company na maganda yung office, right? So I started building my team then. Little did I know, I restarted, no? I got another new notebook. I listed down my direct downlines. Na I was surprised. I already have 13 downlines. Although, hindi lahat buhay. Pero ang portier, ha, lahat buhay. Klaro yung stem cell buhay. Pero leaders, may sabi nga ng isang upline namin, sabi niya, yung ibang leaders natin, may lulubog, lilitaw. Sabi ko sa kanya, okay na yung lilitaw, ma'am, kasi hindi talaga natin makikita. So only leaders for sure understand what I'm telling you. So, yun lang. I started to influence people. I just duplicated what my upline is doing. Kahit buhok niya, ginaya ko. Alam niyo, hindi pa lang sinasabi siguro sa akin ng asawa ko na baka sabi niya, di ba kasama kayo ni Wendy kaninang umaga? Tapos sabi mo ngayon doon ka naghapunan sa kanila. Ay, hindi pa kami nagsawa, hindi pa nagpalitan yung mukha namin. So, Riway is a school, it is a university where you can copy. You are allowed to copy, but choose the people who you copy. So, those people who are doing the right thing, of course. So, hindi kami natitinag sa mga price cutting na yan. Wala, no? I realized I'm not hitting a stone to anybody here, ha? Just a disclaimer. But, equipping yourself with the right knowledge and the right skill and immersing yourself in the right people with the right culture equips you on how to combat these challenges. Okay? I can straight look at the person who tells me, bakit may tag 7,000? Sabi ko sa kanya, anything can be faked. Even characters can be faked. It's all up to you. It's all, at the end of the day, it's your choice what to choose for yourself. Okay? So, according to our OPP presenter, Ma'am Mitz, health is still our wealth. Now, even during the times that you are so down, think that you are healthy. You are very wealthy already. People lying there, even if they are billionaires, millionaires, but they are bedridden, they are still very poor. Okay? So, yun lang. I started supplementation because I don't want to become a patient myself. Little did I know also that people around me became so beautiful also. So I am a doctor. We are like artista. Lalaos din kami. No? Yes, just like any other profession for that matter. You are not managers your lifetime. No? So, I started to realize that when I remained a doctor, when I retired, I remained a doctor until 80 years old. I only helped maybe 2 to 3 generations of a certain family. But if I do Riway and help people down below me, I can help generations. Right? Kasi yung account natin napapasa to generations, right? There is no other platform that looks at that. Up to the people who are even not yet born in your family. Iniisip na yun nila. So we have seen the amazing platform of Riway International. Pwede ba natin palakpakan yung Riway? So, if you decide to take the product, ask the people who invited you. Do not check Lazada. Do not check online platforms. Because when you start to ask questions to those sellers, they block you. But when you ask questions to the people who invited you, we are so happy to answer. Libre yun! So, tonight, it could be a breakthrough to anybody's health here inside this room. Maybe it's not you who needs the product. But definitely, you will really be an angel to other people. Yes, this Courtier is a tool of the company. Equipping yourself with the OPP will really help a lot. That's how I started. I also started selling. I started also as Diamond One Star. So, basically, alam ko yung mga challenges na pinagdadaanan ng mga starting leaders. when you say I don't have rejections, how many rejections you have? 100? I have 1,000. Who among you here, when you told your doctor, I am taking Courtier, or doc, do you recommend Courtier? Who among you here that your doctor says yes? See? Isa lang. Nasa likod. Ilan tayo ngayon? Maybe we are about 200. No? So, my realization is that I grew up in a community. Maybe many of us here grew up in a rural area. Diba dati, yung doktor natin, yung hilot natin sa area? Si Lola, si Lolo. Di ba yung mga gardens ng Lolo natin, may bayabas, may malunggay? Di ba yun ang iniinom natin kung magkakasakit tayo? Or yung may mga pausok pa, remember? Or yung mga sinusunog na kanin para gawing pang... Oo, ganun na nga po. Yung mga may kasamang palaway pa. So why should I deprive this certain person? Oh, maybe Courtier is my patient's only hope. Bakit natin ikakait pa yun sa isang tao na gusto pang mabuhay? Gusto pang maging better yung quality of life. So after all, it's your choice. Anyway, it is FDA licensed. It is safe. FDA doesn't certify it is not safe for consumption of human beings. So, I consider myself lucky because I came into the best supplementation that I ever wanted. And, kasama pa doon, I went into my ever first and best MLM company, which is Three-Way. So, you are so lucky here. And I am so lucky also to be in the right company. So, wag niyo nang pag-iisipan pa kung mag-Three-Way ba kayo or hindi. We still have the entire world to conquer. Yes! Pag makita nyo na, ang dami na pala nila. Para silang mga langgam. Just imagine the world population, how many billions we are. Still, even me, I'm in Cagayan de Oro City. Cagayan de Oro City is just an 800,000 population city. Still, a lot of people doesn't know Courtier yet. One of my first cousin got sick of stage 4 breast cancer. I told her, you do what it takes to fight cancer. Tablahan na to. Kung mabuhay ka. Kung mamamatay ka, wala naman lang siguro mawawala din sa'yo. So anyway, sabi ko sa kanya, you do whatever it takes to fight. If your doctor told you to have surgery, undergo surgery, go ahead. If your doctor will tell you to have chemotherapy, go ahead. But if you want to take Courtier, you can always take it with chemotherapy.
Yeah.
And she survived now.
Wow.
Even me, even as medical practitioners, to some of you here, we can't believe because for stage 4 cancer, any site, for that matter, is equivalent to death. It's just a matter of hours, days, months, years. No, swertehan na lang kung sino mabubuhay at hindi. Kung medyo masamang damo ka, joke. O sige, maging masama na tayo para hindi ba tayo makamatay. So, even me, I see, I could not really discount these testimonies of these people. Mahirap naman kasing mag-fabricate ng mga stories, no? And these people are not paid even. I am not paid here. But tonight marks a a landmark in my Riway career. Why? Because this is my first time to step on Manila office stage. And pinasalamatan ko talaga si Sir Jaime, classmate ko sa 3-day training. Sabi ko he was calling me up here when Wendy is almost to come here on stage. Sabi niya sa akin, can I call you? Sabi ko sa kanya, yes, classmate. Then sabi niya, can you be a closing speaker? Sige, malakas ka sa akin. Sige, okay lang. Minsan naman lang kami pumupunta dito sa Manila, di ba? So, thank you for staying tonight. I hope may pabaon kami. I hope naintindihan niyo yung Tagalog ko. Hindi ako nag-practice ng Tagalog ko, promise. I was just even organizing my thoughts on what to tell you here on stage because, again, I was just ambushed to be the closing speaker. But dito sa Riway, bawal mag-say no, bawal tumanggi, bawal din yung, ano nga din sa, hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-translate. Walang pilitan, pero walang ayawan, walang tanggihan. So, this is just part of my love for the company. I am not just in love with Riway, but I am crazily in love with Riway.